Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to talk about how to build up a habit with a useful Notion template. So here we have a time. You can write down the month and the year here so you can keep track of your progress. And then the main goal. What are habits that you're going to build up or quit this month or this period of time? Anything of your choice. It can be wake up early, exercise regularly, or anything you want to do. And then here's the main part of the habits. The first one is trigger. What is the cue for you to start doing the habits? You can make a cup of coffee or tea, put on your favorite music, or set a timer. It's anything that will initiate the routine you're going to do for the habits. So it can be really, really small. And then it's the routine. What are you going to do after you receive the cue? Be as detailed as possible because you don't want to forget doing anything. But if it's really simple, like it's something like start studying or working or exercise, then it's fine. You can keep it simple. But if it's something like a morning routine you're trying to have or a night routine, then you can try to be as detailed as possible. And then here's the exciting part. What's a reward you will get after you finish the routine to make you feel good? However, don't contradict with your goal. For example, if you're trying to lose weight or become healthier, don't eat a bunch of ice cream after exercising. But if your goal is to wake up earlier, then maybe ice cream is a good choice. There's different example here, like watch a short clip on YouTube, take a hot bath, eat some healthy snack or guilty snack, anything of your choice. And then it's the preparation. What can you do beforehand to prepare you for the habits? For example, organize the desk, take out your workout clothes, get everything you need for the activity you're going to do. So it can be easier for you to start doing the habit. You don't have to be preparing a lot of things or wait 10 minutes after so you can start doing it. So be as prepared as possible. And then lower the hurdles. It's kind of similar similar to preparation, but it's a little bit different. How can you make this habit easier and more accessible? If if we're trying to wake up early, get to bed early is probably one of the best way to lower the hurdle for you to wake up, because one of the main reason why we can't get up early is because we stay up late, or yeah, we just stay up late. So try to go to bed early so you get enough of sleep, and then it's easy for you to wake up. And then do some proper preparation, schedule a time for it. You won't miss a class or important schedule meeting. Let's say meeting. You don't want to miss a scheduled meeting or a lecture or exam day because the time is set. There's no coming back. So you can try this with your habits too. Schedule a time for it to make sure you have the time in a day to do the habits, and then you will be committed to this time. Then it's exceptions. Under what circumstances I can skip or do only portion of the habits. Don't make exception along the way because that will become excuse. So one of the thing I say about my waking up early habits is, one of the exception is when I'm physically ill, because my body needs the sleep to recover, and I don't really want to get up early even though I'm physically sick. So, or when I'm on a family trip, because there's too many factors that you can control in a family trip. So make your schedule flexible or make your habit flexible. Like you can do only half of the yoga or half of the exercise or write half of the journal. Is that even a thing? Anyways, so make exception beforehand and don't make it along the way. Yes. And then it's a list of habits for future reference. Here's the good habits and here's the bad habits. So in good habits section, I wrote several category you can fill in because it's useful. So the first category is spiritual. Like if you're a Christian, you can put something like I want to read my Bible every day, or something spiritual be I want to meditate every morning. And then for health is exercise, of course, and then eat healthy food, or or I can be a vegan. Yeah, that's a good choice. And then for career, maybe you wanna say I wanna schedule 30 minutes section every day to build up my second hustle or finish my primary job in the morning or anything like that. For finance, it can be something like save 10% of your money into the saving account or a retirement account. And then for relationship, like I want to spend my night like from what time to what time with my families and friends. For personal growth, I want to read a book every morning, or I want to watch a documentary or read a biography every now and then. For recreation, it's the most important, guys, because we often forget to relax or just chill out but life is a gift and we are born to enjoy life. So it's important to make some recreation habits like some self-care, some Netflix time, anything like that. So it's the good habit section that you wanna build up. And then here's the bad habits. So here are some habits you wanna quit. And I put 3 prompts questions for you to answer to look what are some bad habits you may have in your life. So the first one is, what is holding you back from becoming the person you wanna be? And then the second one is, what are the causes of your procrastination? I procrastinate a lot, and then I found out that the reason why I procrastinate is because I watched a lot of YouTube videos. But yeah. And then the third one is, what things are you doing while you would not want your children to do? Here's a good questions because we don't want our children or our kids to spend 20 hours on gaming, or unless they want to become a professional gamer. But yeah, you get what I'm saying. So the last part is the Havoc Tracker. Here's the date, and then I put 31 because there's 31 days in a month at most. So you don't have to use up to 31. Yeah, you're an adult, so you understand. And then check here if you're done with that day. And then you can write some notes to yourself. Why I did it, how I did it. And then on the day that you didn't do the habit, you can write down why did you not do it. Maybe it's because you're busy with work, unexpected work, or you're on a family trip, or you got sick, or anything that's prevent you from completing the habits. You can write it down here for your own record, because reflecting is important, guys. Reflection. So that's basically it. The habit. This is the habit Notion template that I think can be really useful for every person or every people on earth. I will link link this template on the description box, and if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more Notion template. Thank you.